Welcome to Drive Away Production. Today's speed tip is a tale of broken airplane tails, but more importantly, how you can fix them. As you can tell, this airplane tail has been through some pretty hard flights, and this side right here has a little broken edge. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how you can fix a broken tail and make it stronger again. So if you look closely, you can see that there's a crease right here, and then there's another crease here. So the main issue is we need to strengthen it along this axis and this axis. And the best way to strengthen foam board like this is through using some sort of wood or plastic spar. One thing you can do is take a popsicle stick and glue it on top, but depending on your aircraft, that might not be ideal. So what you can also do is you can put the popsicle stick inside the foam. That's what we're going to do on this one. So what you'll have to do, since this popsicle stick is a little bit too wide for the foam board, what we're going to have to do is cut it in half. So let's do that now. Alright, so I cut this popsicle stick in half, and so now it can fit inside the foam. The next thing you have to do is figure out where you want to put your popsicle stick. The best thing to do is have a good portion on the strong part of the tail, but also enough on the tip of the tail that you're fixing so that it can hold on. So for me, it looks like this placement right here has a good portion on the strong part of the tail and a portion on this section and a portion on the tip. So that should be able to hold the whole tail together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little mark with my thumb, and then I'm going to make a little cavity in the tail. Alright, so I made the cavity, but as you can see, it's not wide enough to fit this popsicle stick. So what I'm going to have to do is make it a little wider, and one thing you can do is just take a little screwdriver and run it through, and that should make the cavity wide enough. Alright, so I made it a little wider with the screwdriver, and as you can see, the popsicle stick is fitting nicely in the cavity now. Looks like there might be a little snug, but that's something you want. You want it to be snug enough to hold it in, but also wide enough that you can actually get it in. Alright, now through to this point, what you can do is bring out your hot glue gun and glue the popsicle stick in. Alright, so the glue's dry, and as you can see, this is much stronger than it was before. This is something you can do on any plane and works best with foam board, but you could probably try it on other types of foams as well. So that's today's speed tip. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, maybe subscribe below or leave a comment. See you next time.